Guys, welcome to Bird of Wisdom book 4 and +1 bonus, which is book 7. Nice throw. No time for that. Chirp. It's translated. Why would you betray me, Blueberry? Chirp. I'm mad. Ah! Go without me. No! Ah! Jump. No! I will avenge you. Chirp. Translated. I have to do something. Where are you going? Come back! Oops. To be continued in book 4. This is book 4, book 5. Wow. Poops out human. Ow. Ow. Bang! Just in time. We have to leave now. Hurry, idiot. Hey. Watch out! What do we do now? 2 birds of mine. An RP Angel and RP Kenji. I have seen many animals die like this, dude. I just don't know. I just don't like it when it happens, you know. Dude, run! To be continued. Bird of Wisdom 6. What the? Move! Oh my god, bro, why do you always keep on dying? Well, almost. You could have gotten oofed for real this time. What were you thinking? Yikes. Throws a knife. Stop! No! Ooh. Ching. Dead. He's dead. To be continued. Book 7. Book 7 is just the bonus book. But I'm going to show you to it anyway because I thought it was pretty fun to continue the series. Just to let you know, Bird of Wisdom 7 is kind of short because I ran out of ideas. They're small again. Chirp. At least it's all over now, right? Oh my god, look, I did that one dead pose meme. Okay. It's my fault I started this. No, it's not. Do not worry, no. It's my fault I started all this. Chirp, chirp. This is not over yet. What's that? To be continued. In book 8, 9, and 10. Because, why not? Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and I don't know what to say. Blah, blah, blah. Goodbye.